Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for you and it's an advent calendar. This is the ASOS Face Body 25-day advent calendar. It retails for £90 with a 77% saving. It was released yesterday on their website. I took advantage of the 20% off code which ended yesterday morning at 8 AM and I ended up getting it for £72. If you are new to ASOS, you might be able to have a 15% discount. I'll put the code down below. I think it's Hi Friend, I'm not too sure. I'll pop it down below in my description anyway, and if there's any other offers in the next couple of days or so, then I'll pop it down there as well as links to this advent calendar and all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. So yeah, you're welcome to take a look down there. I've always liked the ASOS advent calendars. I really like their bags. They had a little tote bag last year and the year before, I believe, but this year they haven't. But we have got, ooh, I've got to be careful because these boxes want to fly out. But we have got like a little keepsake tray. Yes, it's cardboard, but they just went flying. They're all over my carpet. Oh my gosh. What I was going to say, yes, it's cardboard, but you've got a little compartment there and a little tray. So you could keep it, I suppose, if you wanted to reuse it. But I did really like the tote bags. They were always brightly coloured. But never mind, new year, new advent calendar. So let's get on to opening up day number one. Okay, so day number one. We've got a really teeny tiny iconic London. This is Illuminator Original, and I don't know how much is in there? 3 mils maybe? Is a really teeny tiny sample. But as it's a liquid, you only need a tiny bit anyway. As you can see, it blends out quite a lot, so it will last you a while. This is pretty. When I wear cream makeup like bronzers and blushes, then this is really nice to blend in. It blends in nicely. You can just tap it in with a beauty blending sponge. Yeah, it's really pretty. And as I said, you only need a tiny bit, so even though it's tiny, it will last you a while. Day number two, Erborian. Oh, one of my favourite skincare brands. This is Skin Therapy. 17 super ingredients. Oh, hold on. I shouldn't really show you this. I'll talk to you about it more in a PR unboxing. I've just received this from Erborian. Look, I got the full size. I got the full size of this. It's one of their new products. I think it's their new product. Yeah, it must be one of their new products because I'm on their PR list. They sent that to me. A multi-perfecting night oil, 10 mils. 17 plant extracts combined in a multi-perfecting oil that works while you sleep. Your skin is smooth, intensely nourished and plump with moisture. Signs of fatigue appear reduced. Your complexion is fresh and radiant. I love this brand. Oh, I just absolutely love them. It's the first time I'm probably seeing this. But yeah, so we've got a night oil here. It's a little mini one. I got full size and now I've got a little mini. You're not going to see anything. I've just put it on top of the highlighter. It's a serum, a clear serum. So yeah, chuffed to that. Day number three, we got Rituals. This is the Ritual of Ayurveda Rejuvenating Body Scrub. Punjabi pink salt and sweet almond. And there's 125 grams there. This is a beautiful smell. This is really, really nice. I had a body scrub in the Rituals Advent Calendar. I unboxed a few days ago. I think so, unless I've had it in another one. I don't think so. Was it in the next? It might have been in the next Advent Calendar. See, I can't remember. But anyway, this is beautiful. This is so nice. Oh, there. It is gorgeous. I do love Rituals. So we've got a body scrub. Day number four, we've got Malin and Goetz, if I'm saying that right. This is a lip moisturiser, hydrating treatment, and there's 10 mils there. A moisture-rich gel formula leaves lips soft, soothed and comforted. You can see it's just a little gel there that comes out. So we've got a lip treatment. Day number five, we got an Invisibobble scrunchie. Yeah, in Prima Ballerina. I really like these. I've got a few of them. Probably in previous ASOS advent calendars. But yeah, I like that colour. They've got a spiral plastic coil thing in the middle. It's supposed to leave less damage marks on your hair and things like that. Yeah, I really like that. So I've got another one. I've got leopard print, I've got black, I've got brown or gold. Day number 6, we got Sunday Riley Good Genes Glycolic Acid Treatment, and there's 5 mils there. Clean, purified glycolic acid deeply exfoliates and repairs the look of dull, congested and sun-damaged skin for a visibly radiant, healthier looking complexion. I love Sunday Riley and I really like Good Genes, but it'd be nice if it was bigger, because these sizes are so small. They're literally sample sizes, aren't they? I know it depends on what else is in the calendar, but I know sample sizes put a lot of us off. Unless you've got a calendar that is really affordable, like under £50 or something like that, then yeah, it's what you expect, isn't it? I'm just talking away. Day number 7, we have got Sacha Joanne. This is a hair repair treatment mask, 30 mils. I've tried this numerous times as well. It's a really nice mask. It's an intensive treatment mask for dry and damaged hair. Apply to clean, wet hair, leave for 5 to 10 minutes and then you rinse. Day number 8, I've got a candle, a Neom candle, Neom Organics. This is Bedtime Hero, Chamomile, Ylang Ylang and Cedarwood, Scent to Sleep. Oh, this is lovely. We had a candle in the next advent calendar from Neom. And it was a sleepy one. It had lavender in it. I can't remember exactly the name of it, but it's nice that it's a different one for me anyway. Or unless if you're like me and and you're getting a couple of advent calendars. But yeah, that is lovely. I don't think I've ever had this one. Bedtime Hero, Chamomile, Ylang Ylang and Cedarwood. Oh yeah, I love them. Love candles. Day number 9, or it could be 6, who knows? Full size, quarterly. This is a Vinopure Purifying Gel Cleanser. I love this. Natural salicylic acid, organic essential oils and grape water, and 150 mils. Oh, I love a cleanser. I have loads of different ones down in my bathroom and I pick and choose different ones all the time. I just love it. This cleanses, tightens pores, decreases excess sebum without drying skin out, leaving it clean, fresh and luminous. Got a cleanser there from Cordaly. I'll let you into a bit of a secret. Because I'm filming during the day, there's a bit of a heat wave going on in the UK at the moment. I've got a ring light on, it's making me so hot. I've got this fan, this is amazing. So in between nearly every box that I'm opening, I'm like this. 100% recommend one of these. So nice. Right, carry on. Day number 10. I've got a brush. Got a brush from Elf. This is a blush brush. Very smart. There, can you see? So it's a flattish brush, but it's nice and soft. Yeah, I like that. Day number 11. This is Cetaphil Moisturising Lotion, normal to dry, sensitive skin, 29 mils there. Yeah, this is okay. My daughter likes the cleanser, but as far as moisturising lotions go, I just opt for others. So usually when I get this, I usually pass it on. Day number 12. Philip Kingsley Elasticizer. This is a pre-wash treatment for your hair. Apply it to your hair before you shampoo. Leave it like for 10 minutes or so. Longer if you want to. Yeah, 10 to 20 minutes. And then you rinse off and then you wash your hair as normal. Now, I received this in a different advent calendar recently, and you might have heard me say that I just don't get on with this. It just doesn't do anything for my hair. Loads of people love it, but I'll be passing that on. Day number 13, we've got Dr. Barbara Sturm. I love this. This is a face cream and there's 20 mils there. Does it say anything? No, not really. My skin really likes it. It's lightweight, it absorbs nicely into the skin and it leaves the skin feeling really nice and soft. Yeah, I really like that. Just have to have that. Day number 14. Oh, we got Revolution. This is a glazed lip oil with cherry seed oil and hyaluronic acid. It's got a cover on it, so I'll just take that off. I've only taken the top off, but never mind. As you can see there. Just put a little bit. It's a lip glaze, lip gloss. Does it smell? Does it say? Cherry seed oil. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. That smells amazing. It's just lip oil. It's clear, but it smells of cherries and it's beautiful. I use lip oils all the time. Actually got some on it. The smell is, oh, it's beautiful. Day number 15. Ooh, Ren Clean Skincare. We have got here a Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. There's 5 mils. I like this. Love trying different ones. And this one is really nice. I put a load on there now. It brightens and smooths the under eye, which is what you want. Yeah, I like that. See my glowy hand there with all the oils and highlighters and everything. It's got a little pot. How much did I say? 5 mils. Day number 16. And we've got something for your hair. This is by Archive, the Good Habit Hybrid Oil. And there's 50 mils here. This is gorgeous packaging. I have received this maybe in an ASOS beauty box. If you weren't already aware, ASOS do monthly beauty boxes. Or unless I've had it in a different box, I'm not sure. But I tend to stay away from oils for my hair because my hair, I've got tape-in extensions and it looks a bit raggedy because I've washed it and just left it because it's so hot. I couldn't bear drying my hair with a hairdryer. But anyway, my hair naturally, which is up here, where is it? It's about down to there. It's very thin and fine. When I put oils in it, it tends to like weigh it down and it looks quite stringy, so I just tend to steer away from it. But I haven't tried it, so I can't tell you anything about it. But if you've tried it, especially if you've got really thin, fine hair, let me know your thoughts. Day number 17, we got The Ordinary. This is the natural moisturising factors with hyaluronic acid, surface hydration formula, and there's 30 mils there. I've used this on and off. The Ordinary do amazing products. This used to be a staple of mine alongside their hyaluronic acid serum and the multi-peptide serum. It contains amino acids, dermal lipids and hyaluronic acid. It's got a moisturiser there. Day number 18. We have got This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray and there's 10 mils there. This Works do lots of different products and they have many different sprays as well. Sort of smell. There. Oh, I did it too close to my nose again. Oh, did it too close to my face. Makes me cough. Some pillow sprays do that, which is really weird, isn't it? Well, I don't know if ever you have noticed it yourself. But yeah, some make me cough. I love pillow sprays. I use pillow sprays all the time and my daughter does as well. Oh my gosh, I want to cough. One of my favourites is The Ritual of Jing by Rituals. I love that. Yeah, this is okay, but it's not my go-to spray. Okay, day number 19. We've got First Aid Beauty. This is the Ultra Repair Cream, Intense Hydration for Dry, Parched Skin. And there's 28.3 grams here. I received this in another beauty advent calendar, maybe the Look Fantastic one. I can't remember now. It's a really nice body cream. Use it head to toe. It's great in the winter months. My skin in particular, especially my legs, can be really, really dry. It's a really nice cream. It's nice and gentle, great for sensitive skins, but it does really work. Day number 20, we've got a Grown Alchemist. This is a hand cream, vanilla orange peel, and there's 65 mils there. Quite a bit on there. Never mind. I'll rub it right in. Have I put anything else on this hand? I can't think. I love orangey smells. Oh, it's so lovely. Oh, it's really uplifting. It's beautiful. Yeah, I really, really like that. We've got a hand cream by Grown Alchemist. Okay, day number 21. Got an Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, Anti-Wrinkle Hydrating Day Cream, and there's 15 mils there. I love this cream. Absolutely love it. I love the night cream. I love the cream with the 30 SPF in it as well. It's just so gorgeous. Sits really nicely on my skin. Makeup sits really nice on top of it. It is such a good moisturiser. Yeah, I'm happy with that. We get it a lot in advent calendars and beauty boxes, but I'll always love it. Day number 22. What is this? Oh yeah, MAC Fix Plus Stay Over Alcohol Free Long Lasting Setting Spray. I haven't tried this yet. See how it compares to Urban Decay All Nighter. I love the design. What's the spray like? Oh, it's quite nice. It's nice and fine. I just like the feel of it. It's nice and cooling. Yeah, really happy to give that a go. So we've got a Stay Over Long Lasting Setting Spray by MAC. Day number 23. We've got a Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. And there's 25 mils here. Beautiful cream. I've got a load of these. I love it. I do love it. I use it at night if I can open it up. Oh my gosh. I can't open it. I've just picked a towel up to try. Oh, there you go. I can now. I'm really sorry. Even with a towel, I can't open it. My hands are just slipping all over the place. It's a body cream. It's a gorgeous scented body cream. A very summery scented cream. It contains ingredients to help tighten your skin. And it's beautiful. It's really thick and lovely. Yeah. So there's that. Day number 24, we got a Psychic Sisters gua sha. Gua shas did their rounds. I think in last year's advent calendars we seem to see a lot of them. Normally we see like a load of like eyelash curlers, but I'm sure last year we had a load of these in different ones. But obviously because I get a few, then I notice it more. But yeah, really, really nice. I've started using it a couple of months ago. I've had them for years, but haven't really stuck to a routine. But yeah, the last couple of months I've been using it whenever I do my skincare in the morning, after I apply a serum. I do lymphatic drainage to get rid of this. I've got a moon face. I've got a lot of inflammation in my body at the moment, so I'm trying to tackle that, and can't say if I've noticed a big difference, but then I am overweight as well, so I don't know, if I was slimmer, then I might notice more of a difference, but I don't know. I'm going to continue using it anyway, because I do really like doing it and I feel like I am doing something good. But yeah, I have got a few of these now, so I will be passing that on. Day number 25, the last day of the advent calendar. We've got a Charlotte Tilbury palette. This is Pillow Talk Dreams colour-coded eyeshadows. So a full-size palette. This is brilliant. I was just thinking to myself now, looking at all the products there, we haven't got much makeup this year. I don't think so anyway. I love Charlotte Tilbury products. Well, I say that. Some I don't. Some I do. But I've already got this one. It is so pretty. Really, really pretty. I'll just do a swatch. So I know my daughter's going to love this. She doesn't mind me swatching. Yeah, I've already got it. It's a gorgeous palette for like autumn, winter time. Nice, warm, gorgeous shades. Really pigmented, blend really nicely. Yeah, it's just beautiful. Really, really nice palette. So there you go. So those are all the products inside this year's ASOS 25-day advent calendar. It costs £90. As I said, I got it for £72 because I took advantage of the 20% discount. At the bottom of the advent calendar, it says win a £200 ASOS voucher. Oh, I love that. Tell us what you thought of the calendar for your chance to win. And it's a QR code there. So yeah, so my thoughts then. First of all, I miss the tote bag, but I understand. Times change, things happen. So yeah, we're not going to get the same thing every year, which is fine, but I really love that about it. There's not a lot of full sizes in this advent calendar. I'd have to have a look at it properly again just to gauge exactly what was inside here. But yeah, not a lot of makeup, more definitely skincare, body care heavy. If that's what you love, then great. But yeah, there's a lot of sample sizes in there. I can understand why they put samples in there, obviously to bulk it up, because there's products that cost a lot more that are inside. Obviously they've got to make money themselves. But yeah, I don't know. What are your thoughts? What do you think of this advent calendar? Are you going to get it for yourself? Have you already bought it? Or are you thinking, I'm not too sure, or no? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.